Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to show you how you can easily apply WrapupSkin's mobile skin like a pro in just few minutes. After watching this video, even a toddler can also apply our skins easily. As you can see, this is a WrapupSkin safe packaging. We ensure that every customer should wrap their style. So let's unbox this skin. Today we have Map Abstract Skin from Travel Collection. You can check out more such amazing skins which you will love. Our skin comes in two different variations, which are with side skin and the other with only back skin. Let's see how to apply both skins. If you have ordered skin with sides, you can skip this video to this time. So let's get started. So after unboxing, we got the skin and a guide which will show you how to apply. You should ignore that guide if you watch this video carefully so you can avoid mistakes while applying. Here comes the microfiber cloth for of course a cleaning purpose. With them you will see cleaning wipes too. So there is no chance of dust remain on your phone. This is a normal, average and a boring looking case. Let's remove this case. Get lost your mobile cover. This is our only back skin. So let's wrap your style. Firstly, make sure that you align skin along with your camera side. After it get aligned properly, apply gentle pressure to each and every corner of the skin. As you can see, WrapupSkin offers the most precisely cut skins in this industry. Isn't it so simple? I told you, man. Now you have achieved expertise in applying back skin. So tell your friends that you have expertise in something. More protection than only back skin. If you ordered phone skin along with sides, here is the tutorial. Step 1. Start peeling the skins from the bottom and align it from where speakers and charging ports are present. Now gently press all the sides of your phone one by one. And remember to tap near volume button and with other sides. Heat up the edges first with your dryer and make them smooth by firmly pressing them. Do it with all the sides. And it's done with ease. In last, you can apply our free camera lens skin by aligning it with back side of your camera lens. And it's done with ease. Please follow our social media handles for more updates and join our community to see daily updates, deals and offers.